Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Windows 11 is current and you're signed in as an administrator. Once done, connect to the internet so the app can reach Microsoft services. Next, install or open PC Health Check from the Microsoft Store or by running the official installer. This is the tool that assesses your device for Windows 11 features and TPM requirements. Make sure you grant any permission prompts so the app can read system settings. Then click Open to begin the scan. Now run the main check. Click the Check Now button to start a comprehensive compatibility and health scan. The app inspects Secure Boot, TPM2. 0, CPU model, RAM, storage, and Windows update status. This explains why a device qualifies or fails. If a component fails, click Details or View Report to see specifics like missing TPM or Secure Boot disabled. Make sure to read each line. The check gives actionable lines that point to BIOS settings, driver updates, or storage cleanup. Finish by following the app's recommended fixes. Enable TPM and Secure Boot in your UEFI settings, install any pending Windows or driver updates, and free up required storage. After making changes, restart and rerun Check Now to verify the device now meets Windows 11 requirements. If the scan still fails, record the detailed report text or screenshot. Troubleshooting tip: if TPM shows missing even when present, update the motherboard firmware and double-check TPM is enabled and not set to firmware only or hidden mode in BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.